Yo, what's up guys? Dipty K back here. We got Heidi here. We're gonna be waxing an Arbor Formula rocker, a Solomon board, and a Lurking class board. These two boards are for my friend Chris, so let's get them right. We're going to the slopes tomorrow, so we gotta make sure he has plenty of wax to make him fly down this mountain. If you guys enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and let's get straight into this. All right guys, the first step is to clean off all your boards. You wanna make sure you use rubbing alcohol or soapy water, and if this dog won't stop yelping over here. But yeah, soapy water or rubbing alcohol, and just get a paper towel, wipe it all down. All right guys, so after you clean off all of your boards, you're gonna wanna get your iron turned on. So let's do that real quick. Once it's on, let it heat up for a little bit. And make sure you have snowboard wax. If you have candle wax, it will work. It's just that this is all temperature wax, so it's good for all conditions. So just make sure you have the right wax, and any iron. Doesn't even have to be a snowboard iron. It could be a clothing iron. Any iron you have, really. So get your little wax bar and put the wax up to the iron. Put it right over your board. And put a little pressure of the wax onto the iron and just let it drip onto the board. So it will start dripping in a few seconds. Give it a second. 1, 2, 3. Yep, it's dripping. Don't go too much, just a little bit, just enough to smear it in all directions. Now, after you put the wax on, all you want to do is get the iron, put it on the wax, smear it in little circles, just to make sure all the wax is spread evenly around the board. Just little circles, doesn't take too much. You just want to spread it evenly around the whole section of your board, from obviously either the middle out or from nose to tail. Doesn't matter which way you do it, just get it done. After you evenly distribute the wax throughout the whole board, as you can see, it looks a little cloudy. That's all wax. After it's spread throughout the whole board, just wait 10 to 15 minutes and then come back, and then we're gonna use this here scraper to take every little piece of this wax off of the board. Don't leave any wax on there. So wait 10 to 15 minutes, then scrape every little piece of wax off of that board. Get an angle and apply a good amount of pressure and scrape from nose to tail or tail to nose. Try not to go sideways, go vertical. After you clean off the whole board and scrape it all off, it should be very smooth. No wax should be left on the board. Make sure it's completely smooth. And yeah, guys, if you guys have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and shred happy. Peace, guys.